Welcome back to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expert insight. Have you ever wondered how a bronzer can make all the difference in your makeup routine, creating that perfect sun-kissed glow without the hassle of being in the sun? Well, today we're reviewing the Too Faced Natural Chocolate Bronzer, a product designed to give you a radiant, golden tan finish with just the right amount of buildable coverage. This bronzer promises a natural, sun-kissed look that is perfect for any occasion. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the product's key details. The Too Faced Natural Chocolate Bronzer comes in a powder form with a radiant finish, making it ideal for anyone looking for that natural, sun-kissed look without overdoing it. The product offers buildable coverage, meaning you can control the intensity of your bronze depending on your preference. The color we're testing today is 02 Caramel Cocoa, which gives a golden tan bronze that suits a variety of skin tones. The formulation includes cocoa powder, known for its antioxidant properties, which is a nice bonus for those who want a touch of skincare with their makeup. Using the bronzer in my daily routine was seamless. I applied it with a fluffy brush, and the texture was silky smooth, blending effortlessly into my skin. What stood out immediately was the natural finish. No orange undertones here. The bronzer gave my skin a radiant, glowing look that didn't appear cakey or overdone. It didn't feel heavy on my face, which is a big win, especially for powder products. I tried it both for a light touch during the day and for a more intense evening look, and I was impressed with its versatility. One of the highlights of this bronzer is its buildable nature. On one hand, it gives a subtle, sun-kissed glow when applied lightly. On the other hand, you can layer it to achieve a more intense tan. For someone like me, who enjoys customizing my makeup, this feature is a real plus. The pigmentation is rich, but it's not so overwhelming that it can't be controlled, which makes it easy for both beginners and experts to work with. However, while I love the product's finish, I do have a couple of minor critiques. First, the packaging, while cute and compact, feels a bit flimsy. I would have liked a sturdier case, especially considering the price point. Secondly, though the bronzer's buildable coverage is great, it does require a bit of patience to perfect. If you're looking for something quick and foolproof, this might take a bit longer to apply than other more straightforward bronzers. Now, let's talk about the value for money. At its price, Too Faced has positioned this bronzer as a premium product, and for the most part, it lives up to that. The quality of the powder is top-notch, and the bronzer delivers a beautiful, natural glow that is long-lasting throughout the day. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are other bronzers on the market that might offer similar results for a lower price. So, while it's a solid product, it might not be the best for those looking for a drugstore option. In terms of alternatives, I'd say the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer is a close contender, offering a similarly radiant finish and a buildable texture. It's more affordable, but still delivers that soft, bronzed glow without being overpowering. The Too Faced bronzer certainly stands out in terms of its luxurious feel and the inclusion of cocoa powder, but if you're looking to save a bit, the Physicians Formula version is a solid choice. As for the build quality, I do think Too Faced could improve the packaging. It's pretty, but for the price, I'd expect something more durable. On the other hand, the bronzer itself holds up well throughout the day without fading, which is essential for a product that you want to rely on for long-lasting wear. When it comes to customer support, Too Faced is known for being responsive and helpful. Although I didn't need to reach out to them directly for this product, the brand generally has a good reputation for customer service. So if you do encounter any issues, you can rest assured that they'll be there to help. To sum it all up, the Too Faced Natural Chocolate Bronzer is a beautiful product with a natural, radiant finish that is perfect for achieving that sun-kissed glow. While it is on the pricier side and the packaging could use some improvement, the performance of the bronzer is fantastic, especially if you're someone who loves a buildable, natural-looking tan. If you're looking for a bronzer that feels luxurious and gives you a soft, glowing complexion, this could be the one for you. If this review was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.